Hey guys, this is Andrew from ZArc, coming here and checking out the YouTube page to see how quick our subscribers are going up, and they're definitely moving. Came here and we have a channel comment. 19 minutes ago, the Big Panda asked or said, I wasn't sure if you guys take requests, but if you aren't too busy, can you do a video about operating systems, pros, cons, differences, etc. I will be very happy to do this on this video. And just give you a shout out now. The Big Panda. Let's check his channel out. Looks like he does games like Call of Duty or Modern Warfare 2, apparently. 30 subscribers is more than we do. Jump on over there and subscribe to him if you haven't already. Alright. But yes, something just to make sure that very clear here. ZArc does do request. Most of what we're going to be doing is request. So please come by. You can send a message up here. You can come over here and send us a message. Or you can send an email to zarc@live.com. Post a video response to any one of our videos. Or just leave a channel comment. Alright, let's just jump back and you guys will get to see what I look like. It's going to be exciting.
Live from the banner warehouse behind 7-Eleven, it's time once again for ZArc Tech.
Okay, so as far as operating systems go, there is basically three that are really worth anything. There's Microsoft, there's Apple, and then there's Linux. Those are the three that are really the big ones. Really, that's all there is. Unless some guy made it in his basement or whatever. But, truthfully, those are the three that count. Now, Apple has very cheap software. Their hardware is outrageously expensive, and in order to use their software, you must have their hardware. Therefore, their cheap software becomes expensive because you have to have the hardware. Now, Microsoft is the most compatible. You can get basically anything works with a Microsoft product, except Apple stuff. It's pretty cool. And most people have Microsoft, so if you make a file with some form of Microsoft program, most likely everyone else can open it. Now, Linux is the free one. Free is good, but not necessarily. It's the least compatible with most things, but it's free. Most open source stuff works with Linux because Linux is an open source thing. Now, Ubuntu is one of the best operating systems I have ever used. It's on my laptop, it's on one of my two desktops down here, and I've got it on a partition on this computer, so I use it all the time. It's free, and it's really good. They update it all the time. Now, you can pay for support, but you don't necessarily need it because they do offer free forms. Now, I'll have my best friend here. Let's see what she has to say. Jassy, do you like, what do you want to use? What do you use? Huh? What do you use? Well, she's being quiet right now. But she's a little bit older, so she uses XP herself. That's her favorite operating system. I keep trying to get her to use 7, but she just doesn't want to do it. But every operating system has its pro, and every operating system has its pros, and all the operating systems have their cons. But it's really just what you're used to. If you've used Apple all your life, stick with Apple. If you've used Microsoft all your life, just stick with it. If you used Linux all your life, just stick with it. And most people haven't used Linux all their life. But Linux is free, Microsoft is affordable, Apple's expensive. Microsoft works with everything, Apple works with a lot of stuff, Linux not so much. As far as freedom goes, Linux you can do whatever you want. Microsoft, you can customize a lot of stuff. Apple, not really. So, really just depends on what you're doing. There's a 6-month rotation for most Apple stuff, so I guess it's up to you. So, this has been Andrew reporting from ZArc. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe. It does help out the whole little thing we're doing here. And I will see you guys on the next video. And thank you for asking the question. Alright, see you guys next time.
Live from the banner warehouse behind 7-Eleven, this has been ZArc Tech reporting on all of your technical knowledge that you need.
Hey, I am terribly sorry. It is That Big Panda, not The Big Panda. My apologies, I saw that during editing. So it's That Big Panda. Subscribe to That Big Panda. The Big Panda is kind of a loser, but That Big Panda is really cool.